Good evening, everyone. Hope everyone's had a marvelous Monday. Good start to the week. Trade-wise, it was again one a nice Monday to be honest, because Mondays tend to be pretty dodgy for trading. But there was good volume and good movement in some of the big pairs like pound dollar again. You know, your classic nice, lovely moving pair. Big spreads. A good movement in pound yen as well. Euro dollar actually did some movement as well. So yeah, I'm just going through the how the analysis and the results worked out. So, our professional forex trade analyst actually shows how things have worked out literally to the T with when it comes to results. So if you see up here, you can see where the triangle breakout was mentioned up here. So this was at if you zoom in, you'll see if it was at about under the 117840. If it was to cross that mark with a retest, it would have gone, and you can see up here how the trade kind of like went down, possibly around much about 25 pips from there, 20 to 25 pips. So that was a Euro USD. I mean, again, Euro USD is quite a small mover, but that was in the last nights to the morning trade up there where the movement happened. Euro USD at the moment as well. I mean, if you see up here, there is a big consolidation on Euro USD, so you probably see some movement on the Tuesday, for tomorrow. At the moment as well, it looks into this phase where it still kind of looks at pretty much consolidated. So we're looking at a movement above 117880 with a retest for a long trade, and you'd be looking at the price falling below 117630 for a short trade on Euro USD. Pound dollar, again, great mover. I mean, you can see a lot of volume in pound dollar again, going up and down. To be honest, I mean, if you look at the as done there and up here, this was 140 when the analysis was done. You can see where the price was at that point, where you had sort of a consolidation happening at the bull market around the blue fib channel, and then boom, it came down like a sack. So it's at that moved. You can see possibly around easily 60 pips there from where it was. Yep, 60 pips. And this is what it is all about. So you can see, I mean, again, it's all about finding out where the breakout opportunity was. This was seen to be at this level. And it was said that if the price had moved below 138, 140, then you were looking for short. And that's what happened. You can see the decreasing momentum at that point up here. And then when it break down, boom, you know, big movement for a big part there. You can see the yellow, or yellow being below the Whitemore line. So fantastic place to use momentum for good pullbacks for pound dollar. And again, at the moment, if it was to seen, I mean, you're possibly looking at a short pullback again at the yellow fib channel up here, which is around 137810. First preference for pound dollar. Dollar CAD, again, if you look at the results, how things moved through the day. I mean, this was done at about 6 in the morning up here, and you can see it had brought down, came to the level that was pointed out, highlighted by our analyst, and then it went into a long pullback. And that's what the first preference was up there. And then it went into a breakout here, triangle breakout, and it was said that if it had gone below the 126035 mark with a retest, I would go through, and you can see big move, one move down there up to about 30 pips again, 25 pips you can say in one pair. So that's again, that was at 9 in the morning to about 11. So you can see movement there. Well, a Monday, so you don't generally get massive movements in the market and massive volatility. If I was to discuss pound yen again, you can see up here big movement. I mean, again, you was at 140. It was the blue fib channel, and here it dropped below under the on 200 GMA line, and that you're talking about easily 60 pips up there, 60 pips there. So again, you can see up here where was the level identified. You know, when the price was at about 151.546, dropping below there with a retest preferably, and you had good pips to be made up there, at least about 40 pips from that level as well. So yeah, guys, that was the results. You can see lovely working out where everything was. There you go. So there, you know, throughout the day, guys, you can see first thing pullback, first preference. You can see pullback, boom, went up, and then after that, it went into a breakout, and that's when we had the triangle breakout. We were expecting to break down hard. You can see two pullbacks after that. So this is what the professionals can do, guys. We got our analyst who is giving you this kind of feedback throughout the day in London morning session and New York open session, and then analysis are done for the Asian trading session as well. Get in touch. Let us know how this can be helpful to you. I mean, at the end of the day, it's about learning a skill, a lifelong skill. And you know, if you can prove your worth, you really do not need your own funds to trade with. The funds can be provided. So get in touch, send me an email, and we can book in a one-to-one Zoom session and take it from there. We can see what you're after, and then how we can help you through this platform, through professional help, through seeing professional traders trade live while you're learning the skill. Or if you're experts, again, think of it as if you've got a guy there who's actually won an award in 2019 London Forex winner, telling you where to, telling you the pointers where to enter the market, where to exit, where to see the exit, to give you that extra edge. Okay, so yeah, get in touch, guys, and we can take it from there. Have a great rest of the week.